Grammar Point 3. Possessive adjectives. First, let's review the subject pronouns in Italian. Please repeat after me. Io, tu, lui, lei, noi, voi, loro. Now let's move on to the main topic, possessive adjectives. There are four forms of the Italian possessive adjectives, depending on the gender and the plurality. To be clear, we have the following four forms: masculine singular, feminine singular, masculine plural, and feminine plural. For the subject pronoun io, our possessive adjectives are as follows: mio, mia, miei, mie. For the pronoun tu, we have the following: tuo, tua, tuoi, tui. For the subject pronoun lui or lei, we have the following: suo, sua, suoi, sui. For the subject pronoun lei, the possessive adjectives are as follows: suo, sua, suoi, sui. Please remember to capitalize the letter S. For the pronoun noi, we have the following: nostro, nostra, nostri, nostri. As for voi, our possessive adjectives are as follows: vostro, vostra, vostri, vostri. Finally, for the pronoun loro, our possessive adjectives are as follows: loro, 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 loro. Per esempio, nostro padre è ottimista. Il mio amico è simpatico. Le loro figlie sono estroversi. I vostri fratelli sono riservati. Next, we'll move on to section 5-3. Practice questions. See you in the next video.